Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with y'all how to make homemade Southern country white gravy. It is so simple and easy to make. You could do this in your sleep. Over here on my stove top, I have my cast iron skillet, or you can use a regular skillet or a saucepan. I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in a fourth of a cup, which is a half a stick, or 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to let that melt. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, the butter has melted. Now we're going to add in a fourth of a cup of all-purpose flour and give it a whisk until it's well combined. We're going to let it cook for about 4 minutes to get rid of the raw flour taste. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, the flour is nice and cooked through. Now we're going to add in 2 cups of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. Going to add in half and whisk continuously. And pour in the other half. Next, we're going to add in our seasonings. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a fourth of a teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. Keep on whisking until it's well incorporated. So now I'm going to cut the fire down to simmer, and we're going to let it cook until the gravy thickens, about 8 minutes, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, and just that quickly, our gravy is done. See how nice and thick that is? Excellent. So now I'm going to cut my fire off, and it is ready to serve. I'm about to pour it into my gravy boat, and then we give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern country white gravy. Don't that look good? Great to pour over fried chicken, chicken fried steak, biscuits, sausage, mashed potatoes. Also a great dip for chicken tenders and french fries. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. It's creamy, full of flavor, has the right amount of seasoning. Yum-o. This is incredible, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Country white gravy-licious. Hope y'all enjoyed this cooking tutorial, and I want to thank all y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's eat, and much love.